baseball bat. Some white pants. Nose. Oh, this. The last game we went to was way louder than this. Like,
oh yeah.
Song, remember?
Yeah, because it was a smaller stadium.
But I mean, they did more songs.
Al Stevenson.
You want more chicken? No?
Baseball game.
Chicken? Yes? You also have chips. Okay. You need it open?
And shoot those balls across this level pool. First one wins the game. All right, ladies, are you marked? Get set, go! All right, cheer 'em on, everybody. Woo! This can be a close one. Oh, she's got good aim, almost there. Wow, she's got skill. Super close. And we're going to call that a win. Congratulations to both of you lovely ladies. And that was SDN Focus. Back to you, Captain.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next winner of the season grand game.
This ballpark has a splash pad. Table tennis, foosball, and
The first baseman, number 11.
this bar is called the Hangar. And there's home run tacos over there. And then this is where Sebastian's at. At least I think he's in here. Here, Mika.
You know how to use the water to aim to hurt people.
Of course, his favorite place to be. Oh, smearing. Hold on. They're having an off day today, apparently. Let's go back to the pool, splash pad.
close your eyes for me. Can you close your eyes? Close. Get the other side. Open your eyes. Thank you.
What is he gonna get?
We need our edges. Where's your spider? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work, sir. Let's get the other side now. Turn this way just a little bit. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work again. Here comes the spider coming out of your hair.
Hey guys, since you guys didn't show us to keep your spot. I know you're not getting yours.
Do you want sparkles? Some glitter? No glitter. Wait. I have a sticker though.
You don't want
Come look in my mirror right here.
Whoa.
You ready?
Is that awesome? Say thank you.
What would you like, my dear? Tell her say thank you.
The cheese. Did you like the baseball game?
Yeah.
This was a good day.
Yeah.
Some
Oh wow, 17-0.
Yay. So the Aviators are losing. They're losing. Whoops.
Seba.
The Aviators are losing like 19-4 or 19-5. But the Raiders, they're winning 17-0, right?
Yes.
Against oh, what a coincidence. The Raiders are playing the Arizona Cardinals, I believe. I think that's right.
Yes.
And then the Vegas Aviators are playing the Tacoma, which is in Arizona, Rainers. Either way, we're losing. We're losing, but we're winning. Anyway, today's a good day. Sebastian, stop. If you want, take a nap. And we're heading out. It's a little too hot. It's only 91 degrees, but it's a little too hot here in the ballpark.
If you're thirsty, I have more juice.
Say bye. What do you say? Subscribe and
Share.
and
Help your teachers.
okay, again, help your teachers and say leave a comment
Leave a comment.
and share. I think you said that.
And like.
And like. There you go. Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. 4 things.
And 5 things.
What is it?
The 5 thing is help your teachers.
Okay. Help and listen your teachers. All right. See you soon. Say see you soon. Now you're drinking.
See you soon.
All right.